Okay, everybody, welcome to my channel, Mobile Effect 1969. On this video today, it's just gonna be a short video, and this is just basically a video of a playlist I got. You go to the description down below and find a video you want to watch, and just click on it to watch it. This is a Stihl weeder FS56RC. Of course, it's a Stihl. Those are pretty good weed eaters, huh? I was gonna get the bigger one, but then I got this one because I was in a hurry and I didn't know they were so good weed eaters, man. I mean, this is a beast right here. They work nice. This is absolutely a beast. I mean, like, it works good. I only do a couple small yards here and there. Not like I needed the big one anyway. The reason I got the list down there, I got a bunch of different videos I made, like maintenance stuff you can do. Even though it's a good weed eater, all weed eaters need maintenance sometime or another. Down below, you'll find different videos of like the filter, cleaning the screen on the muffler, the Arrestor. Fortunately, I haven't had any trouble with mine because mine's practically new. So things can go wrong, and if they do, I broke down below different sections on what can go wrong and how to fix them. So this video right here, just look at it as like specifically as your like go-to cheat sheet, where you'll be able to go down, just find what you want fixed instead of looking all over in there. You come on this page right here to this video, pause it if you have to, whatever, and just scroll down and look at and click on the video you want to watch and what to fix or whatever. I will be updating it the more I do, because I still got to make more videos on it, and like taking apart engines or whatever. But every video I make, I will be updating on this list down below. So you might want to save this right here on your desktop or on your phone, this actual video. That way you can go to it right quick without having to look for it again, or without having to look all over the internet for different things you want to fix. I'm going to try to put them all on this video. Down below in the description, they have the links you can click on to each problem or just anything. I also got videos on cutting yards and just whatever to help y'all enjoy your day or fix your weed eater. So if you're dealing with a stuck trimmer head, we don't want to move, or your line just keeps breaking and you want to see a crazy water trick to fix the line from breaking and snapping too much, or maybe you mix the fuel wrong, which you don't want to do because that can destroy your motor, which basically I didn't destroy my motor, but I mixed the fuel wrong by accident for being in a hurry. And I got a video on that, and I'll show you how I empty it out and everything and put the right mixture of fuel in there. So the exact video you need is actually just sitting down right below. Just scroll down and look at it, click on the video you want to watch, and it's there for you. And the best part about this video, I will keep making more videos to help people with this weed eater that have problems or whatever. Make sure you bookmark it, and that way you can always come back straight to this video and see what I've updated and see if you got problems there, or if you have different problems you need help with. Just let me know. I could probably make a video on it, and the link will be down right below, ready for you to use, man. I use this string right here, which is a 0.95 string is what I've been using on my weed eater, and it's been working so good. I got my fuel mixture, the 50-to-1. Some people say, you know, mix it different, but Stihl recommends the 50-to-1. That's what I've been using right now. This weed eater came with of course it came with the manual right here, the booklet, and you can look at everything there. Or in most cases, you can just come to watch my videos and you don't have to be reading a book. I bought some safety glasses. So I got my own safety glasses right here. We brought two tools right here. They brought this little tool, and you can see how I use this tool on the weed eater when I'm working on stuff. Basically, you see that right there. Basically, to remove the head, you stick this there. Stick it in there and you spin that head right there till it clicks, and then you can remove the head. That's what this tool's there for. Then you got this tool we brought right here. This is a pretty good tool too, because it's got everything. It's got the spark plug remover. You got to remove the spark plugs on the weed eater, you can use this tool right here to remove it. All the screws are basically the same size. They're the T27. You gotta use the T27 to remove all the screws, so it's pretty good. I'm glad they put them all the same size, so very easy to do. Bring the shoulder strap. This is a lifesaver if you adjust it right. I mean, that weed eater just sits right on your shoulder while you're weed eating. I got a video showing you that too. And you just weed eat like that, and basically you're gonna got a hold of this hand. You can just like walk around and weed eat, which is pretty neat. I should kind of show you that on video too. Anyway, thank y'all for watching my video. Subscribe. Make sure to save this link to your desktop or on your phone, or subscribe to my channel and put this as your favorite so you can come back, because I will be updating it, like I said, and there'll be more videos to show you on how to operate, how to fix, and just other videos I got out there that I'll have out there cutting with this weed eater right here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Enjoy. Don't forget, down below, you can click on them links to what videos you need to watch to fix, or just want to watch my video. Thank you. There it is, man. The FS56 RC Stihl weed eater right there, ready for you to use. Look down below and get the links you need. Anyway, I got more videos here. They'll take you to some of them videos. I also got mechanic videos. But look down below and you'll see the links to nothing but just the weed eater right here. That's all you want to watch. Appreciate it very much. Thank y'all.